So guys, welcome to this video. And if you know you don't already have a Google Pro account and you want to get the 12 months activation, make sure you check the link in the description to get started. So this video is going to explain how you can use Google Flow correctly and Google Gemini to generate video. Also, how to create marketing video, consistent video as well, that has consistent character, and that is actually crazy. So we are going to be using this Gemini Pro. We are also going to be using ChatGPT to generate the prompts that we are going to be using. But let me just quickly show you. You can see I did this on my phone, right? Don't forget, we activated this on phone, so you can log in. If you don't have that particular Gmail on your PC, you can log in the this on PC. You can log it in on PC. Mind you, you can also do all these things on your mobile phone in case you don't have PC, or probably you still want to use PC or your phone to do everything as well. So yeah, you can see it right here. You can see the circle, that the colored circle that I have right here, that shows that I'm on Pro, and you can see the Pro. Yeah, so you can access it anywhere, both on your PC and on your mobile phone. So there are two ways you can actually generate the AI video on the Pro accounts that we activated, right? And you can see you can switch this Gemini also to 2.5 Pro. You understand? Even though there are a lot of things you can do with this Pro version, like deep research, and that is actually premium. You can use it to generate image, you can use it to analyze code and create code, you can use it to generate video right from this Gemini right here, and also create canvas, documents and apps, right? You can use it for that as well, and so many other things. You will also notice that you have access to it on your Gmail account, so whereby it's going to analyze your Gmail. The AI is going to analyze your Gmail, your Google Drive. You can see you can even upload from Google Drive from here, and so on and so forth. There are so many things you can do with this Pro, but we'll just be focusing on the video generation, the flyer or image generation, and so on and so forth. So this video now, the first thing I want you to know is that if you are using this particular gemini.google.com, in video generation, you can see generates with VEO3. VEO3 is the latest video model that Gemini just launched, or let me say Google just launched. You understand? So you can use it to generate VEO3. And look at this now. They just made an update. They said you can use it to generate better text and image quality with Imaging 4. So you can also try that out. You understand? But for this particular video, it's just for video. It's for video. So let me just click on no thanks. Right. So now I've used this already to generate like 3 videos today, or maybe 2 videos, I don't know. But the limit of the videos you can generate per day on this Pro account is 5 videos. That is if you are using gemini.google.com. 5 videos per day. You understand? 5 videos per day. That is if you are using this gemini.google.com. So there is now another app that is also powered by Google. That one uses credits. And that particular one with the credits is also crazy. You can generate as much as possible within the credits. So once the credits finished, you wait to the following months before you can use it, right? Or the better way, you understand, the better way, or the way I'm doing it is I will create another Google account and activate my Pro on it. You understand? Activate Pro on it, then I have another fresh. So there are a lot of points that will be renewed every single month that way. So now how do you get access to that? Just open new tab, then you go to Flow. You just search for Google Flow. You can see Google Flow. So look at it now. Google Labs Flow. That's an AI filmmaking tool built so. You can see it. So let me show you a particular video that I created. But before then, let me just show you how to access or how to enter. So you click on create with flow. So it's going to open where you sign in with your Google. So click on sign with your Google. Because I'm already signed in, that is why it is bringing this directly. You can see that this is the only project I've created with this particular account. You understand, all my other projects or videos that I created are on the other or previous account, right? So but before I dive into this, let me show you a particular video that I generated, so you see what you can do with it. So let me open it.
My people, una dey hear wetin I dey talk. My people, una dey hear wetin I dey talk. This one no be scam. Na Digital Studio bring correct AI website development blueprint. See am here. This course dey show you how to use AI build website like oyibo, sharp. My people, see wetin AI don help me build. This na real website o, no be PowerPoint slide. If I fit learn this thing, you sef no get excuse. Go buy that AI website development blueprint, make money touch your hand.
So now that's really crazy and it's scary. It's scary because how is this actually possible on earth, right? That is mad. So now you can notice that there is consistency in the character. You can see the same character that is here is the same person that is here, is the same person that is here, and is the same person that is here. How did I pull that off? Even though it's not something that you can just get like that, you understand. And I also converted this particular video to another kind of flyer video. Let me show you with Canva. So I just,
my people, una dey hear wetin I dey talk. This one no be scam.
So now look at it now. I took the video to Canva, I put it on the laptop mockup, and I put the contents for the website development blueprints, the join now button, my WhatsApp number, right? Oh, this is my second WhatsApp number. So my WhatsApp number and the link to get the course.
My people, una dey hear wetin I dey talk. This one no be scam. Na Digital Studio bring correct AI website development blueprint. See am here. This course dey show you how to use AI build website like oyibo, sharp. My people, see wetin AI don help me build. This na real website o, no be PowerPoint slide. If I fit learn this thing, you sef no get excuse. Go buy that AI website development blueprint, make money touch your hand.
So you can see how crazy that is. You understand? You can see how crazy that is. So I'm going to put you through on how I did everything step by step. You understand? One after the other. I will show you how I generated prompts from the first scene to the last scene, how I did everything. So yeah, let's get started. And mind you, it's not that you can only use this for Nigeria sound kind of video. You understand? You can use it to generate video for any language, like any accent or even any kind of video at all. You understand? So don't mind because I make it so Nigerian and so this thing. So you can use prompt it to give you Ghana accent, UK accents, US accents, or whatsoever. So you can just do your thing depending on what you actually want. And mind you, the number of credits that Google is going to give you for the pro accounts that you generate is 1,000 AI credits per month. You can see. So this one, because I've created video already on it, so I have 880 AI credits left, right? So now let me show you my prompts. Let's start from there. So I'm going to share you a link. Look at this now. You notice that I have an headline here. I will copy this link and share it below the video. You understand? So this link, you need to click on it, or the link, you need to click on it to open it on your ChatGPT. So it has to open on your ChatGPT, maybe on your PC or on your phone, depending on where you want to use it. But make sure your ChatGPT account is already signed in. So you open it, then that is where you now start creating, because it already has the way that it can create. It already has a background prompt that helps you to get consistent characters from every single prompts that you give that it gives you, or from every single scene that it creates for you. You understand? So you need to first have access to that. You understand? If you want to create something consistent, right? But if you want to just create something that is just a single scene, you can just give it a question prompt from a new this thing, or even use this particular link as well. So once you open it, it's going to take you to a blank page. So let me quickly show you how the blank page is going to look like when you open the link. So when you first open it, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this. You can see AI video prompt creator, create cinematic structured prompts for hyper realistic AI video generation. You understand? So by the time you now start prompting it, that is when it will start bringing something like this. So this was my first prompt that I gave the this thing right here. You can see this was my first prompt. Create a Nigerian style funny caricature 3D animation video, because I want something kind of caricature, yeah, video with 4 scenes. So I've already specified the number of scenes that I wanted the video to last. You understand? Because I know VEO3 or VEO3 creates videos that last for only 8 seconds. You understand? Per scene. 8 seconds per scene. So when I did my calculation, 8 times 4 gives me 32. So when I noticed that, okay, it's going to give me 32, and that is good for the marketing that I want to do, or the kind of video that I want to do, so I only need 4 scenes. So I made sure I specified that, okay, if I need 3 scenes, I tell you that I need 3 scenes, 5 scenes, I tell you. So I now tell you to be creating the scenes one after the other. So let's continue with 4 scenes that promotes a course blueprint by Digitech Studio called AI website development blueprint. You can see it. I want consistency in the characters for each scenes in the prompt. I want the speech. So there is a typo here. So I want the speech to be Nigeria accents. So now create first scene. So I now, at the end of it, I told you to create the first scene for me. You understand? Not just to create all the scenes, because if you tell you to create all the scenes, because of the free ChatGPT that I'm using, it might not be able to generate much and just be limited. So I told you to create the first scene. So it's created the first scene. So you can see the first scene, create a hyper realistic shot or blah 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 blah. So it's created this first scene. I read it and it's similar to what I wanted. So I copied it. Now let me go back to my flow. Yeah, so in this flow, you understand, I click on new project, right? But I won't click on it because I want to show you what I've done before. So let me open it. So I will now scroll down to the first. Okay, now this was the first video. So if I, is it possible? Okay, now you can see that this prompt here is the same, is totally the same as the prompts that we have here. Look at it very well. You can see it's 100% the same. So what it gave me 2 different generations, which was this one.
Now they hear wetin they talk. This one no be scam. Now Digitech Studio bring correct AI website development blueprints. My people.
So it also gave me this
My
one.
people. Now they hear wetin they talk. This one no be scam. Now Digitech.
But I prefer this one because it looks most similar to other this thing. So if I come to settings here, how do I do that? Let me copy the prompt again just to display an example, even though I'm going to be creating another thing, another video, so we can see what we can do with it. So I just pasted it and I came to these settings here. You understand? The reason why it gave me 2 options here was because it was on 2, and mind you, if you put it on 2, it's going to consume, and you need to change it to VEO3 here, fast and fast text to video. If you change it to this VEO3 quality, it's going to consume 100 credits per video. Don't choose this particular one. So choose this particular one, this fast text to video, because it only consumes 20 credits per scene. You understand? So if it's on 2, just know that it's going to consume 40 credits for what you want to create. But it's better to just put it on 1 that you are managing your this thing, right? So yeah, so when I pasted it, you understand, so it generated these 2 things, right? And I was satisfied with this first one, so I just pasted another prompt. How did I get the other prompt? Let me go to my ChatGPT. I just tell it that on the same track, right? So I just told it that, okay, create next scene. So it's created, because I already told it that, okay, I wanted 4 scenes. So this was the first scene. So create next scene, which is the second scene, as you can see right here. So I now pasted the second scene prompt here. So it generated this. You can see that then I've already switched to 1 result. So it's brought this 1 result for me, right? So let me go back. So next scene, I just told it again, next scene, and it's created the next scene, which was this. It generated this, and I can easily just tell it to generate 2 as well, but I had to go with 1 because I'm managing the credit, right? So on the last one, I said now create the last scene. You understand? So it generated the last scene, which was this particular one. So let's go from the second scene. Let's see what it created.
Here. This course they show you how to use AI, build website like Oyibo. Sharp.
You can see how crazy that is. So Nigerian. That is so Nigerian. So this was the third scene, and you can see the consistency in the person. You understand? Even without mark on the face, you can see the consistency. You understand, right? Yeah, you can see the consistency right there. And this was the
if I fit learn this thing, you self no get excuse. Go download that AI blueprint, make money touch your hand.
Make money touch it. That's so Nigerian. So you can see how crazy that really is. Yeah, so that is how you actually do it, right? So I just copy your script, you understand. But if you need to make any adjustments to your script, don't forget to do that. You have to make your adjustments to customize it to what you actually want, right? But I did not do any adjustments for getting that particular result. I think I made an adjustment in terms of content. Yes, in terms of content, yeah, this particular one, yeah, okay, this was the first one it gave me.
If I fit learn this thing, okay, you self no get excuse. Go download that AI blueprint, make money touch your.
So go download that AI blueprint, but I wanted it to say go download that AI website development money blueprint. So I had to change that part in the script. Let us see the difference. You notice that what the guy was supposed to say was, if I fit learn, look at it now. Oh, let's go back. Look at it. If I fit learn this thing, you said no get excuse. Go download that AI blueprint, make money touch you. And so I had to click on this button right here. So reuse prompt. If I click on reuse prompt, then it's going to bring the prompt over again so that I can be able to edit it. So I had to edit it from here. So AI website development, you understand? So that was what I just changed. That was just what I just added, and I click on enter. So when I did that, it gave me this particular result. So let us play it.
If I fit learn this thing, you self no get excuse. Go buy that AI website development blueprint, make money touch your hand.
So you can see that how that is so local, so crazy, so real. So yeah, that was how I actually created that particular video. So but before I show you how I match the video together, so you can check what I mentioned here. And yeah, the reason why it looks so local, so Nigerian. So yeah, let's just continue. So how did I create my scene? The way I created my scene was I just click on add to scene. So once you click on this add to scene, it's going to take you to this scene builder. You understand? It's going to take you to the scene builder, but let's just do it. So add to scene, so it will automatically take me to the scene builder right here. So let me move this cursor to the last part of it. And let me go back to this thing. You can see this June 11. So I will need to click on this back again so that it will take me to where all the videos are. So I will go to the second scene. This is the second scene. I will click on add to scene. So you can see it has merged the first scene with the second scene like that. First scene, second. So I will drag it to the last part as well by clicking on the second scene. And the next thing I will do is I will still go back to where I have my this thing, and I will go and add the third scene. So add to scene. So you can see the third scene is already added. Yeah, the third scene is already added. As you can see it right here, it's already added. So I will do the same thing to go and add the fourth scene. So this was the fourth scene, so I just need to click on add to scene again. So we have all our scenes right there, you can see. So all what I just need to do is to click on this download button once I play it. So let's play it.
My people, una dey hear wetin I dey talk. This one no be scam o. Na digital studio bring correct AI website development blueprint. See am here.
So you can see how crazy that is. So I just need to click on this download button. So when I click on download, it will start exporting for me, right? So start creating an export for me. So once it's done with exporting, it's going to tell me or give me a prompt that I should download. So once you click on that download, then it's going to download successfully to your PC. Yeah, so your file manager is going to download to your file. And let's just wait for it. It's trying to merge so it has merged everything together already. So you just need to click on download, but since I already have it, so I won't download. I just click on dismiss. So that was how I created this particular video, step by step, without any hassle, without any stress, right? So let me go back to Flow now. So I want to create a new project, right? I want to create a new project, and I want to create a new project, and I would like to show you how I will be doing it from scratch right now, right? So I'm going to be creating this particular one that I want to do for this particular course, which is the AI video whatever blueprint. You understand? That's what I'm going to be creating right now. So let me now go to where it's going to prompt me where you click on the link. So you also make sure you pin this place, because I've pinned it already. That's why it's already showing hide from sidebar. So you pin it to your sidebar so that you can be able to see it to your see it on your sidebar. So you can see my own now. This is my own on my sidebar right here. So crazy, yeah. So you click on the pin, so it's pinned to your sidebar. So now let me just tell it, okay, I want or let me just say I want an hyper realistic. So you can use 3D animation 2D that is going to generate 2D this thing for you, or any style of 2D with any kind of touch of colors, any kind of, you can specify anything to it, you understand? So I'm just going to go with what I want to do right now. I want an hyper realistic Nigerian guy promotional video in a studio. Nigeria guy promotional video in a studio. showcasing or promoting a digital course blueprints with title. So let me put the title of the course. Let me just click and copy it and paste the title of the course. So I have the title of the course already, so let me just paste it here, which is AI hyper realistic text to video money blueprint, right? So I can just tell it to use in a tech studio, in a professional tech studio. So use, before I tell you to use, I want the scene to be 4, and let me just get the idea from what I've done before. And I want consistency in character, prompts. So now you can see I can just copy this so that I won't just stress myself with brainstorming. So you can brainstorm very well so that you can be able to create something better. So I want the scenes to be 4, and I want the consistency, and I want consistency in the characters for each scenes in the prompt, right? So, and I've already told it that which other thing have I not tell it yet? I think I've put the accent. I've not put it, so let me put that one as well. I want the speech to be Nigerian accent. So can now tell it to what to then create first video. Create first scene prompt. The first scene prompt. So let's see what this can actually do for us. So as you can see, it say it's already creating the prompt. Create a hyper realistic shot of a confident Nigerian man in his early 30s with deep brown skin, a well blah 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 blah, and you can see the description and everything. So I won't need to read much, so let me just, so it has already given it what to say, saying welcome to AI hyper realistic text to video money blueprints, the digital course that changes everything, right? So let me go to my flow right now. So this is the new flow that we created. So let me just paste the new prompts that I created, the first prompt. But you make sure you click on these settings and you change to VEO3. This VEO2 generates video, but it won't give you an audio. You understand? The feature doesn't have an audio. So this is the first AI video that has an audio, as you can see it right now. So let me just click on send. I would have preferred to put it on 2 outputs, you understand, just for the sake of this video, right? So that you can be able to get 2 different choices. But I will do that on the next video. So you need to wait for a few seconds or few minutes for this to generate successfully. So let me pause the video right now. So now we have the video generated already, you understand. So let's check it out.
Welcome to the AI Hyper-Realistic Text to Video Money Blueprint, the digital course that changes everything.
So you can see.
Welcome to the AI Hyper-Realistic Text to Video Money Blueprint, the digital course that changes everything.
So you can see how crazy that is. That would be our first this thing, but on the next one, let me just put it on 2 to be creating 2 outputs for me, right? So yeah, let's tell it create next scene. So it's going to generate the prompts for the next scene, and it will make sure there is consistency in the character, right? Which is okay, which is our main thing right here. So now let me paste the next scene, but always check your text. You understand, the write up that the character is going to say, if it aligns to what you are creating or what you are doing. You understand? So but just for the sake of this video, I will just leave it the way it is. I won't make any edits. So let's see what is going to do. If it will be able to generate something that we want. Yeah, let me pause and come back. So as you can see right now, yeah, you can see what we're able to achieve. Look at this particular character. Now look at this same character in the second video. See the consistency. That is mad, bro. That is mad. Look at this second sample that is generated for us as well. Now let's play the first one and see the one we are going to go with.
I'll show you step by step how to turn AI video into real profit, even if you're just starting.
So you can see that, see the sound, see this thing right here.
I'll show you step by step how to turn AI video into real profit, even if you're just starting.
Oh my god, that's so wonderful. I didn't even expect this. So let's see the second one that is generated.
I'll show you step by step how to turn AI video into real profit, even if you're just starting.
Well,
I'll show you step by step how to turn AI video into real profit.
You can see this second one is not okay enough. You understand? So I will just go with this particular one. But yeah, let's create the next scene. Let me go to this thing. So we have 2 scenes already. So I just tell it create next scene. So another thing that you need to understand is, if you have something specific to give it to generate for this next scene, you understand, make sure you specify that, okay, I want you to mention this part of the course module, I want you to mention this part of the course outline, I want you to mention, you understand, but make sure anything that you're going to give it for that particular scene, it can be said within the 8 seconds, within the 8 seconds of that scene. Don't forget that is the current limitation of AI video generation with VEO3, 8 seconds per this thing. So just look at the consistency. You see, is that consistency that I even like the most. So let me let me impose the next one, so we can check the settings to confirm so everything is intact. So yeah, let's go to the next thing. Let me pause the video and come back again. So one has generated successfully, and yeah, look at it and look at its consistency with other characters, and that is just so sweet. Let us play.
This is not theory, and this is the same system I use daily to close international clients using AI video tools. This is not theory, and this is the same system I use daily to close international clients using AI video tools. This is not theory.
Let's wait for this, for the second one. Okay, so this is the second one right here.
This is not theory. This is the same system I use daily to close international clients using AI video tools. This is not theory. This is the same system I use daily to close. I'll show you step by step how to turn AI video into real profit, even if you're just starting.
So another thing is that I noticed the accent is kind of British.
And this is the same system I use daily.
This particular one is
using AI video tools. This is not theory. This is the same.
So we can just easily rewrite this thing, edit the prompts, you understand, to stick with Nigeria accents, you understand. I can even go back to my this thing here and tell it that the above prompt is not creating Nigeria accents. So let's see what is going to adjust it into. Okay, yeah. So I'm sure it would have fixed. I'm sure it would have fixed the. Okay, this one will be trial and error. And the same strategy way they use take land clients from abroad with AI video tools. So okay, that sounds like in Nigeria broken. So let us just, you can just take your time and fix things as much as possible, you understand. So let me change it to one generation this time around and just generate. So it has generated the next one that we just prompted it. Now let us see.
My brother, this one will be trial and error. Now the same strategy where they use take land clients from abroad with AI video tools.
So cool.
My brother,
this looks much more better than this kind of accents, you understand. So yeah, that's really much and it really goes. So let's go and tell it to generate the fourth scene. That has even asked us the question, should I generate the proximity scene 4 now? So let me just tell it, create the last scene or the fourth scene, any one. So since it's the last scene, so it's going to even know the kind of content that it will generate for that. So let's wait for it. Okay, it's already generating the last scene, as you can see. So it says, "No do yourself opportunity day here. Join the AI hyper realistic text to video money blueprint today and begin your own journey." Okay, but that and begin your own journey, I will just change it to and generate videos and generate realistic videos with AI. You understand? Let me where is it? Yeah, and generate videos with AI for free. So this is my prompt right now. Yeah, let's do that for the last lesson. So let me come back for. So this is the last generated video. Let us see what that entails as well.
don't dull yourself. Opportunity day here. Join the AI hyper-realistic text to video money blueprint today and generate videos with AI for FRE. Don't dull yourself. Opportunity day here.
Well, let's see. Okay, for free. So it brings the FREE because it's in cap lock. Let me also switch it to 2. I would like to have it 2 versions. So let me change this to free. So let's send and So you can see how I'm generating and fine-tuning everything, and that is how you do it as well. So the video is completed right now. The first one is completed. So let us click on
Not dull yourself. Opportunity day here. Join the AI hyper-realistic text-to-video money blueprint today and generate videos with AI for free. Not dull yourself.
So you can see how crazy that is. You can see the consistency. You see, is that consistency that I'm just so amazed.
Not dull yourself. Opportunity day here. Join the AI hyper-realistic text-to-video money blueprint today and generate videos with AI for free.
So you can see. So it is now left to me to choose. Now let's go about choosing. So yeah, this is the first scene. So great. So you can see it. So let me drag this button, that line to the last part right there. So let me go back to this tab. Let me scroll down. So this was the first video. So this second one, did we actually approve it? Yeah, I guess we did. It was this one that we skipped to generate another one. So this one, let us add to scene. So you can see we already have the second one as well added to scene. So let me click and drag. Let me go and add the third one to scene. Okay, so this should be the third one. So as you can see, it's already there. So let's go to the fourth one now. To the fourth one. Okay, so we had to skip this. Another thing is that you can just remove or delete the one that you're not using. So that one we are not using it. This one as well, I can just delete it so that there won't be any mistake. So I already have all my scenes right there. Yeah, so I prefer this one.
Not dull yourself.
So add to scene. Cool. So we have all our 4 videos already. You can see we have all our, you just see the consistency in the suit, in the picture, in the beards, in the hair, in the face. So let's
Welcome to the AI hyper-realistic text-to-video money blueprint, the digital course that changes everything. I'll show you step by step how to turn AI video into real profit, even if you're just starting. My brother, this one will be trial.
I guess this, sorry,
the same strategy.
This second one that we selected is not the right one that we wanted to select. So let me go back and go and remove it from scene. So let's scroll. So this was the one, right?
I'll show you step by step how to turn AI video into real profit, even if you're just starting.
So let me check the second one.
I'll show you step by step how to turn AI video into real profit, even if you're just starting.
Yeah, this was the one that we were supposed to use. So let me just remove this one from scene and then add this one instead. Oh, okay. So it has moved to the last page. And another thing that we could do, I forgot. Let me just rearrange it back to normal. So you can see what I just did right now. So I can also rearrange the scenes. So I can move one scene to another. So just rearrange everything. So you can see that this scene is already back here. So but another thing that I just want you to know is that if this particular version is the wrong version, I can change it to the correct one from here. You can see I will just change it from there without going back to add scene or to remove scene. So let's play everything all over again. Let's see.
Welcome to the AI hyper-realistic text-to-video money blueprint, the digital course that changes everything. I'll show you step by step how to turn AI video into real profit, even if you're just starting. My brother, this one will be trial and error. Now the same strategy where they use take clients from abroad with AI video tools. No dull yourself, opportunity day here. Join the AI hyper-realistic text-to-video money blueprint today and generate videos with AI for free. Welcome to...
So you will see the issue that we have right there. This one, I was already using the cool accents, you understand, before I change it from this particular one, right, to the broken one, that right. So you can just make your adjustment and make sure you are using the right accents and make sure this thing. So I shouldn't have changed this. I shouldn't have changed the accent or regenerated this thing, or I could have then regenerated it from the start, you understand, so that everything could match each other. So that is not a problem. You can just easily go back, remove from scene and generate the latest one, or I feel like we should just do it. So let me remove this and remove this. Okay, so we have the two correct this thing already. So what I'm going to do is okay, let's go back. So these two are the correct ones, but this one is where the distance starts using broken English. So let me delete. So let me go to the second one that is also using broken English, which is the last in this particular one.
No dull yourself.
So let me delete. You understand? So we are back to the two normal scenes that we had. So let me also go back here. You understand? So I will now make sure that, okay, I'll make sure you can see where I changed everything. So I will make sure I use this one as it is, or as it was rather. Then I generate the last, so scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. So this is the scene 3 that I want to generate again. So you can see that this prompt doesn't have the broken English kind of way. So let me put it on 2 versions and just generate. So these are the mistakes that you can actually make. You can see I make sure I'm not removing anything or I'm not editing anything, so that you can understand how to use this thing well, and keep on practicing till you get better and better, and keep on trying other ways or other methods. So let me pause and come back. So this one is already generating. Okay, it's already completed. Let us see if it's matching the other one.
This is not theory. This is the same system I use daily to close international clients using AI video tools.
So this sounds very nice, and I can actually go with that.
This is not theory. This is the same system I use daily.
So this one is too foreign accentic. Don't mind that English. So but anyways, let's generate the last one. Let me go back to my ChatGPT. So instead of telling it this, let me just edit it. You understand? I just tell it to create the last scene, but I just pray it has not just captured the memory from all these ones that I've created with the broken English. But the script is going to be the one to judge. Let's see what it's going to generate, if it has it or not. So if you are ready to build income with the future of video, this is your blueprint. Let's begin. So yeah, it did not give us the broken English format because we edited from the right place. So let's generate the last scene, but just look at the consistency. It's so crazy, so crazy. Yeah, let's check the settings as well. Always check your settings so that it won't switch to VEO3. And if you switch to VEO2 and that's not what you want, automatically you have wasted your credits that way, right? And make sure you don't use the one of VEO3 quality, which has 100 credits. Use the one of VEO3 fast. You understand? That one is just 20 credits per scene. So let me pause and come back. So the last scene has generated successfully. Let us play it and check it out.
If you're ready to build income with the future of video, this is your blueprint. Let's begin. If you're ready to build income with the future of video, this is your blueprint. Let's begin.
So you can see how crazy that it is. It's even
ready,
has the text in background. Wow, so impressive. This thing can just create crazy things for you that you won't even expect. Let's play the second one. Has it generated successfully? Not sure, but let me see this.
You need to build income with the future of video. This is your blueprint. Let's begin. If you're ready to build income with the future of video, this is your blueprint. Let's begin.
I don't know why this second one is not playing, but we can just pass it since we already have one that is perfect with what we want. So now let's do this thing again, how to sing. Okay, we've added this one already and we've added this one already, so let us add the new ones. So this was the one that I went with, so how to sing, and that's it right there. Yeah, so let me go back, then add the fourth one. So this one, right? Let me check if this has generated. So okay, how to sing. So now I have all my scene right there. Wow, wonderful. I have all my scenes right there. So let me play again and see the matching.
Welcome to the AI hyper-realistic text-to-video money blueprint, the digital course that changes everything. I'll show you step by step how to turn AI video into real profit, even if you're just starting. This is not theory. This is the same system I use daily to close international clients using AI video tools. If you're ready to build income with the future of video, this is your blueprint. Let's begin. Welcome to the AI.
Wow. This is so lovely. This is so lovely. So what will I do next? I just need to click on download. It's going to start exporting. Then it's going to bring a download button. Let us just do everything so that you can see. So you've seen how I created the prompts, the image prompts, the video prompts for each scenes, and that is really crazy and wonderful. See the consistency in the characters, that is of no doubt. And let me just click on download right now. Download. So it has downloaded already. This is it right here, as you can see. So let me try and open it on my video. Yeah,
welcome to the AI hyper.
So wait, it's on my large screen. Let me shift it to my small screen. It's on my monitor. I want to reduce this. Okay, good. Yeah, so I have it downloaded successfully.
Welcome to the AI hyper-realistic text-to-video money blueprint, the digital course that changes everything. I'll show you step by step how to turn AI video into real profit, even if you're just starting. This is not theory. This is the same system I use daily to close international clients using AI video tools. If you're ready to build income with the future of video, this is your blueprint. Let's begin.
Yeah, and that's it. That's it. Yeah, that's it. And that is so wonderful. That is so wonderful. So if I go to my flow right here, you're going to see the two projects that I've created on this. Yeah, so look at it. These are the two projects that I've created on this thing. So I can just select it, delete or do whatever thing I want to do with it. So now another thing is, if you want to, let me say for example, that particular video I want to add Digitech branding, so I can just easily take it to Canva, or you use tools like CapCut. There are a lot of tools you can use, you understand. You just add your logo, to it, you understand. You just add your logo on the video, but I will prefer adding the logo to this side of the video, which is this view, you understand. You can see there is view, this thing right here. You can see that part that we have view logo, so you can just add it there with a white background or a thing, you understand, or maybe a background or something. So yeah, I think that is okay, that is cool. So thank you. I'm going to create the next video, and that one is going to be on how to generate an hyper realistic flyer or image with real text that has no flaws and has no deformation. So thank you guys, bye.